No fancy tools needed for this one, just a Cairo to straighten your back afterwards. So join me for a full battery replacement tutorial with info on the battery size and what to expect after installation. The battery is hidden under this cover, supposed to be held in place with 4 clips. This one only had 1, but simply turn them 90 degrees to unlock. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the 2 terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. The bonnet can open to the service position, which is almost fully upright. Just look for a red button on the bonnet dampers, but if you don't have those, you should be able to push it open. Then you'll most likely have a bracket over the battery, which this one don't have. But loosen that first and then the bracket down here at the base of the battery. Tuck your cables away not only for easy removal, but to prevent damage to them as well. The dimensions are quite important for a snug fit, so I'll share some info on this battery a bit later. For now, I'll start by installing the brackets and then the positive terminal first. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Then lastly, connect the negative terminal and install the cover. You'll definitely want to opt for an enhanced flooded battery or even an AGM, even though this model didn't have stop-start. But a 70 amp hour battery should match these dimensions, which is the biggest size that will fit here. You shouldn't have any warnings on startup, and no radio code is necessary. Even the one-touch window is still good. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.